Hello everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the JBL Flip 4. So this is one of JBL's wireless Bluetooth speakers. So before we unbox it, let's take a look around the box. So we have the picture of the JBL Bluetooth speakers. As you can see on the side, we have one of the new features that they've introduced, and that is the JBL Connect Plus. So you can connect to other Bluetooth or JBL Bluetooth speakers and have them all play music across the board. On the outside, as you can see, we have some specifications about the Bluetooth speakers. So as you can see, it offers 12 hours of playtime. It is also IPX waterproof. So if this comes in contact with water, this won't affect the speakers in any way. It also supports the JBL Connect Plus and has the speakerphone. So you can use this as a microphone as well to talk to people. And also down here it tells you what's inside, what comes included with the JBL Bluetooth speaker. So you got the Bluetooth plus the cables, and this will work with pretty much any device as long as it has Bluetooth functionality. So on the other side, it just tells you the headlines for this Bluetooth speaker. So it just says all purpose and all weather companion. So I purchased this Bluetooth speakers for 150 Australian dollars. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. So we have this little tab to pull this open. So here's just a picture of people dancing. Has an advert of Google Play Music. And we have a little box here. So this is Flip 4. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Some power dryer. Okay, so it looks like we have just some instruction manual how to use the Bluetooth speaker, which is really easy. And before we get to the Bluetooth speaker, let's see what's up here. So in this little compartment we have, so it looks like we have the micro USB to charge the Bluetooth speakers. And what I like about these is it's actually, the wires is flat, but also the color is orange. So I guess it's a unique micro USB cable. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's get to the Bluetooth speakers. And there it is. And that's all you get in the box. So here is the JBL Flip 4. So as you can see, I got the black color. So let's go ahead and take a look around. So we have the play button. We also have the volume up and down, and then we also have the Bluetooth to connect. On the top we have the power button, and this is the JBL Connect Plus. So if you have other JBL devices or Bluetooth speakers, you can connect using the JBL Connect Plus. So there it is. And then here we have the Flip 4 with this flap. And inside this flap, so we have the aux cable to connect to your pretty much any MIDI input device. And we also have the micro USB port to charge the Bluetooth speakers. And we also have this strap, which is really cool. It's actually braided. It reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy AKG buds you get. So that's pretty cool. And as you can see on the side, we have their logo, some exclamation mark. So this is the bass output, which is bouncy. And on the other side we have the JBL logo. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, charge this up, and we're going to connect it to my phone. So I'll be right back. Okay, so the Bluetooth speaker has been charged up. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So all you have to do, it's really easy, just hold the power button. Okay, so it's on right now. Okay, so here's my iPhone. So we're going to go into settings. I'm going to go into Bluetooth. And then right now my iPhone is searching for a Bluetooth device. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold the Bluetooth button on the JBL speaker. As you can hear that tone, so it's looking for a device. And here is the JBL Flip 4. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And as you can see, it's connected. Alright, so we're going to play some non-copyright music. And we'll hear the sound quality of the speakers. So I'm going to play the song Sky High. So as you can see right now, it's actually lower than halfway. We can turn it a bit louder. Yeah, that gets pretty loud. So we're gonna go to the main course. That's pretty loud. Very loud. So, yeah, the actual sound quality is really good. I mean, it's a really small, or yeah, pretty small Bluetooth speaker, but the sound quality is really amazing. I mean, the bass you can hear really perfectly and clearly. The sound is really clear as well, and overall, it's a really good Bluetooth speaker. So for $150, I mean, if you're investing into pretty much any Bluetooth speakers that, first of all, that's really small, portable, and you know produces really good sound quality, then I do recommend these. The JBL Flip 4. It's a really good Bluetooth speaker overall, and they're really popular worldwide. So yeah, overall, I do recommend these Bluetooth speakers if you're looking out to buy one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.